In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a post on Substack in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned Substack user or new to the platform, this guide will walk you through each step of the process so you can start sharing your content seamlessly. First, you'll want to head to the Substack homepage. This is where all the magic begins. Look for the New Post button, typically located prominently on your dashboard. Clicking this will initiate the process of crafting a fresh piece of content for your audience. Next, select Text Post from the menu. This option is perfect for articles, stories, or any text-based content you wish to share with your subscribers. Once you've selected Text Post, it's time to add a captivating title to your piece. The title is the first thing your readers will see, so make it engaging and reflective of your content. After your title is in place, you can add a subtitle. Subtitles provide an additional layer of context and can hook readers by giving them a glimpse of what's to come in your piece. With the title and subtitles set, you're ready to dive into writing the main content of your post. This is the heart of your communication with your audience, so make sure it's clear, informative, and engaging. Once your content is polished and ready, locate the Continue button in the upper right corner. Clicking it will move you to the next stage of the process. You will now decide who gets to receive your post. By default, everyone is selected, allowing all your subscribers to receive your latest masterpiece. However, if your content is exclusive, you might opt for paid subscribers only. This choice can help to offer exclusive insights and foster a sense of community among your paying readers. Next, decide on the comment settings for your post. You have the flexibility to allow comments from everyone or disable them entirely. If fostering a discussion is important to you, enabling comments might be the perfect choice. Alternatively, disabling comments keeps the focus solely on your content. Adding tags to your post is another crucial step. Tags help in organizing your content and making it discoverable to readers interested in specific topics. Choose tags that are relevant and reflective of the core message of your content. Finally, decide when you want to send your post. You can schedule it for later or hit send to everyone now for immediate delivery. If you want to give your subscribers a gentle nudge, click on add subscribe buttons before hitting send. This invites new readers to join your community and stay updated with your latest posts. Once done, simply hit continue and then send your post out into the digital world. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating a post on Substack in 2025. With these steps, you're now ready to share your voice and engage with your audience in a meaningful way. Happy writing!